Have you ever felt that heavy silence inside your chest? The kind that comes when you sit alone at night, replaying every failure, every mistake, every word you wish you never said. Pain does not always come from loud moments. Sometimes it comes from the quiet hours when the world is sleeping and your thoughts are still awake. Many seniors, students, dreamers, and workers feel this same burden. Life does not move as fast as we wish. Opportunities slip away. Our bodies grow tired. Our dreams seem too far. And when pain knocks on the door of our heart, it often comes with a shadow called hopelessness. But here is the truth: pain itself is not the enemy. Pain is a teacher. Pain shows us where we are weak, but also where we can grow. It is the voice that says, "Here is the wound. Here is the lesson. Here is the chance to rise again." If we only run away from it, pain stays as a chain. But if we face it, pain can transform into power. The first step is to stop hiding. Stop pretending you are fine when you are not. Admit that you hurt. Admit that you feel lost. Because once you give your pain a name, you take away its power to control you. Every story of transformation begins at the breaking point. Think of a seed; it must break apart before new life can grow. The same is true for us. There are moments when life pushes us down so hard that we do not know if we will ever rise again. You may have failed an exam, lost a job, watched a relationship fall apart. Or maybe your body has grown older, weaker, and you wonder if your best days are behind you. This is the breaking point. It feels like the end. But in reality, it is the beginning. Because when everything else is stripped away, what remains is your core, the strongest part of you. When you fall, you discover something important: you can still get back up. And the very act of rising after pain is where true power begins. Here is a secret: strength does not come from never falling. It comes from falling again and again, and choosing to rise each time. Your scars are not signs of weakness. They are proof of survival. They are your personal medals of honor. Now comes the turning point. Pain is heavy if it just sits inside you. But once you give it meaning, it becomes lighter. It transforms. Ask yourself, why did I suffer? What can I learn from this? How can my struggle help me or even help others? A person who lost health may inspire others to live better. A student who failed an exam may later guide others on how to study smarter. A worker who lost a job may discover a hidden talent and build something new. This is how pain becomes purpose. And purpose is powerful. It gives us a reason to keep moving forward, even when life feels hard. And here is where learning comes in. Many people feel stuck because they cannot express themselves. They want to share their story, their lesson, their truth, but words fail them. This is why learning a language, like English, can be more than just study. It becomes a bridge, a tool, a way to turn pain into wisdom and give it to the world. Every word you learn is not just vocabulary. It is power. It is freedom. It is a way to turn the pain inside you into a message that can inspire others. Transformation is not one big moment. It is a series of small, daily choices. When you wake up in the morning, you choose, will I stay down or will I rise? When you face fear, you choose, will I let this control me or will I take one step forward? When you feel tired, you choose, will I give up or will I keep going one more day? Even simple actions matter. Drinking water, walking outside, writing one page in a journal, practicing 10 minutes of English listening. Each small act is a seed planted in your future. And over time, these seeds grow into strength, clarity, and confidence. Do not wait for motivation to arrive like a lightning strike. Motivation comes from motion, from doing one small thing right here, right now. Pain may visit you today, but your choices decide if it will stay. Look at your life for a moment. Every wound, every tear, every night you thought you would not survive, you are still here. That means you are stronger than you think. Pain was never meant to destroy you. It was meant to shape you, to burn away the weakness and reveal the steel inside, to teach you compassion, resilience, and courage. So the next time you feel pain, do not run. Do not hide. Look at it, learn from it, and use it. Because pain is not the end of your story. It is the fire that forges your strength. And remember this, you are never too old, too tired, or too broken to rise again. Even if you feel like your energy is gone, even if your dreams feel small, you can still choose growth. You can still choose hope. Turn your pain into power. Use your struggle as a stepping stone. And with every step, remind yourself, I am not defined by what hurt me. I am defined by how I rise. Pain is not the end of your story, it can be the spark that builds your future. Every struggle you carry has the power to shape a stronger, wiser version of you. Do not fear the hard days, they are the chapters that make your journey unforgettable. Believe that within you, there is more strength than you imagine. If this message inspires you, stay with us at Tale Crafter English, subscribe and keep walking this path of growth together.